A lot of things are cooking in Norwegian capital, which was named European Green Capital 2019. A cutting edge food scene and new funky neighborhood, a fully packed event calendar, and several brand new museum and attraction are just a few teaser of what you can expect. Surrounded by Oslo Zoll and dense forest, you can easily combine urban city life with nature based fun like cycling, skiing, and Iceland hopping. Staggering peaks, glittering resorts, authentic fishing villages, and picture perfect beaches, not to mention northern lights and midnight sun. You have probably seen jaw dropping images of Lofoten and Westerland on Instagram. A lot of tip to visit these places outside of the summer season when the crowd are gone. Next level outdoor adventure place also awaits in skiing and hiking paradise Narvik and lesser known gem Helgeland a little further south. Here you can drive coastal route between Torlange and Bordeaux, voted one of the world's most scenic drive. What do you get if you combine Michelin restaurant with old wooden houses, world-class street art, and great multicultural vibe? Travel to Stavanger to get answer. Stavanger is the largest city in southwestern part of country and ideal starting point if you want to tick off famous nature attractions such as the Lyse Zord, Park in Stolen. The coastal area of Jæren is a beach bum's paradise, home to some of Norway's widest and whitest beaches. Surfing and kiting enthusiasts will also be in for a treat. The dense forest, deep valleys, and massive mountain plateau of eastern Norway are all excellent starting point for various nature adventures. This is where you find some of Norway's largest ski resorts like Giljo, Trysil, and Hemsedal, and they all guarantee all year fun as they turn into world class cycling destination as soon as snow disappears. Valdres, Hallingdal, Lillehammer, and the Gudbrandsdalen Valley are popular family destinations that offer everything from theme park to charming farms and great hikes. The same goes to Telemark, where you go cruising at the Telemark Canal and witness one of the East Norway's most impressive view from Mount Gustotoppen. The Svalbard Islands lie in middle of Arctic Ocean, halfway between Norway and North Pole. Here you can participate in exotic nature-based activities all year round in a landscape that is both rugged and fragile. Try your hand at dog sledging, go ice caving, join snowmobile safari, or hunt for the northern lights in addition to few thousand polar bears. The Iceland are home to almost 3,000 humans